Hello, my name is Dmitry Bachman. I'm a multimedia developer and a graphic designer, together with 3D modeler and animating skills. I prototype websites and mobile apps, and I really like to illustrate digital art in Illustrator using vector graphics, achieving photorealistic results. I also work in 3D environment, 3D Studio Max and Unity 3D. I like both for creating unlimited kind of virtual and augmented reality applications. For example, to create augmented reality application with an object floating in space and you control it with gestures. That kind of stuff. But I also like designing logos and branding things. That's my passion. Anything that has to do with digital art or identity. Also videography and photography are becoming one of my expertises as well. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.